Hi there, this is Yavar and you are watching Why This Phone. Today I'll be unboxing Realme 2 Pro. Realme is a sub-brand of Oppo. Realme has previously launched two phones, Realme 1 and Realme 2. Both these phones have done a terrific business in India. Combinedly, they have sold around 1 million units in just 4 months. Realme 2 Pro, in my opinion, is a step above both those phones. So I am extremely excited. Let's get on with quick unboxing. The box, I must say, is a compact box. It is a 2 Pro branding at the top, Realme at the bottom. There's a Realme 2 Pro branding at the side as well. The same goes with the other side. The back of the box contains phone information. The variant I have is a 6GB, 64GB variant. Let's get this open. The box is open now. Let's see the content. So it looks like a crystal clear cover. That's very nice. It has a guide for the phone, and there's another guide that's like a quick guide. So I'll put these things aside and get on with the device first. So let's get the device here. So I'll pull these things on and let's open the device. Okay, so the device I have is a blue variant and it looks really beautiful in hand. There's a Realme branding at the bottom. It's a dual cameras surrounded by the silver ring that adds to its style, and the fingerprint is, everything is all blue. That's very nice. The side, I have a power key here, and at the bottom there's 3.5mm headphone jack. That's good to have. Okay, it's speakers down there, and it looks like a micro USB. No USB type C. That's not good, but that is also okay. Then the volume rockers on the side, and it should be a SIM tray. And this device is a dual LTE device, and this device also has a dedicated micro SD. That's very nice. So let's put the device aside and let's see what else we have in the box. Okay, it's a charger. Okay, let's see the charger. So this doesn't look like a quick charger, but it's a normal charger. It's 5V 2A charger. There's no branding in the charger. Okay, there's a Oppo branding in the charger instead of Realme. That's okay. And let's see, this is what we have here. It's a cable. Okay, you can see it is a micro USB type charger. I really wish Realme had put a USB type C charger, but I am sure since they are doing an aggressive pricing, that would be one of the decision. Okay, let's put these things aside. Meanwhile, I'll start this device and set up this device. So meanwhile, I'll put specs on the screen so you guys can see the specs on the screen. The device has started now. Okay, so this is running on ColorOS 5.2, which you will find in every other Oppo phone, and it has a very beautiful dewdrop design. I'm not a very big fan of huge notches, but this looks really nice, and this is very working very fast as well, because this is running on Snapdragon 660 processor, which we all know is extremely good processor. This display is a full HD display, IPS LCD panel, which I am told is a very power efficient screen as well. So let's quickly go into the about phone and let's see what's in here. So this is running on Android 8.1 out of the box, and on top we have the ColorOS version 5.2, and it has a security patch of September 5 2018, so that's also nice. So this phone should be getting Android P update very soon as well, and I'll be doing a full review of this phone follow up to this video. I must tell you about this back of this phone. It looks glassy, but it is not made up of glass. It is made up of polycarbonate with a glossy finish to it that make it look like a glass, made up of glass phone, though it is not. And the camera here is it's a dual camera setup here with a 16 megapixel primary shooter, and we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor as well. I should tell you here, this the 16 megapixel sensor that they have used is Sony IMX 398 sensor, which is the same sensor you will find on OnePlus 5T, which for many was a flagship killer phone. So I am very positive about the camera of this phone. I'll be doing the camera review as well. In my full review, I'll be covering the camera as well, so stay tuned to the full review.